It was really fun to see generations of pens.
We must be very thankful to all those inventors. Without them, we could not even write in school.
I'm glad that you understand and are eager to know about it. Generally, people just use them and don't even want to know about these things.
Will you please tell us about power?
Yes, because that is the heart of everything we use nowadays.
Along with that, you must understand a few more inventions like iron, magnets, petroleum, because these are all interconnected.
So, shall we continue with our expedition?
Oh, sure.
Now tell me, who was the inventor of the escalator? An escalator is a moving stairway that helps people move easily from floor to floor in a building. The escalator was invented by the American inventor Jesse W. Reno in 1891. Horizontal steps were added to the escalator by Georg A. Wheeler and Charles D. Searberger in the late 1890s. Tell me about the discovery of the eyeglasses. Eyeglasses with convex lenses for correcting far-sighted vision were probably invented in Italy around the year 1268 to 1284. Perhaps by Salvino d'Armant of Pisa or by Alessandro Spina of Florence. Early glasses were also made in China around the same time. The earliest glasses did not have arms. They perched on the bridge of the nose. Glasses with arms were invented in the 1600s. Bifocals were invented by Benjamin Franklin around 1775. Glasses with hinged arms were invented in 1752 by James Isco. Isco also made the first sunglasses. Now tell me, who was the inventor of the fax machine? The full name of the fax machine is the telefaximile machine. A facsimile is an exact copy. A fax machine reads an image from a paper and then sends the image over a telephone line where another fax machine receives it and prints out a copy. In 1843, in England, Alexander Bain invented an early fax machine. Can you tell me who invented the Ferris wheel? The Ferris wheel is a large amusement park ride that is made of a giant vertical metal wheel that slowly turns around. The Ferris wheel was invented by George Washington Gale Ferris Jr. The first Ferris wheel was opened on June 21, 1893 at the Chicago World's Fair. This Ferris wheel was 250 feet tall, or was about the height of a 25-story building. Ferris wheels are now common at amusement parks all around the world. Most are much smaller than the original.
Who was Fayan? He was the first foreign traveler to India.
Now tell me, who was the inventor of fireworks? Gunpowder was invented in China, probably during the thousands. Gunpowder is composed of about 75% saltpeter or potassium nitrate, 15% powdered charcoal, and 10% sulfur. The Chinese used gunpowder to make fireworks and signals, and later to make weapons of war. Tell me about the invention of the flashlight. Conrad Hubert invented the flashlight in 1898 in the United States. Cohen had invented a flower pot with a battery in it. Electricity from the battery made the flower light up when you pressed a button. Hubert then took the battery, the bulb, and the paper tube from the pot and made it into what he called an electric hand torch. The world's first flashlight. What started as a novelty soon became a common household item. Now tell me, who invented the fountain pen? Louis E. Waterman, an American inventor, developed a relatively leak-proof fountain pen in 1884 and revolutionized writing. Waterman used capillary action to replace the ink in the rubber sac with air so that the ink flowed smoothly but did not flow all at once. Also, the metals in the ink dissolved the steel pen nib, so Waterman used an iridium-plated gold nib. Waterman also was the first person to place a clip on the cap of the pen. Tell me about the invention of the gas mask. Garrett Augustus Morgan, an African-American inventor and businessman, developed the gas mask. Morgan used his gas mask to rescue miners who were trapped underground in a noxious mine. Soon after, Morgan was asked to produce gas masks for the US Army.
What is PVC? It is the polyvinyl chloride.
Tell me about the invention of the Geiger counter. The Geiger counter is a device that detects ionizing radioactivity, including gamma rays and X-rays. It counts the radioactive particle that passes through the device. The German nuclear physicist Hans Wilhelm Geiger developed the device from 1908 to 1912. In 1928, the Geiger counter was improved by the German physicist E. Walter Müller. Tell me about the invention of the geologic timescale. A geologic timescale is a diagram that details the history of the Earth's geology, noting major events like the formation of the Earth, the first life forms, and mass extinctions. The first geologic timescale was proposed in 1913 by the British geologist Arthur Holmes. Can you tell me who invented the globe? Martin Behaim, a German map maker, navigator, and merchant, made the earliest globe, called the Nuremberg terrestrial globe. It was made during the years 1490 to 1492. Behaim may have also developed an astrolabe. Behaim's globe is now in the German National Museum in Nuremberg. Tell me, who was the inventor of the guillotine? Many people were being executed during the French Revolution. Dr. Joseph Ignace Guillotine suggested that decapitation would be a more humane method for execution. The device that we call the guillotine was invented. Although he did not invent the machine, guillotine's name is forever attached to it. The guillotine was first used on April 25, 1792 at the Place de Grève.
Who was Yuri Gagarin? He was the first man to travel in space.
Tell me about the invention of gunpowder. Gunpowder was invented in China, probably during the 1000s. Gunpowder is composed of about 75% saltpeter or potassium nitrate, 15% powdered charcoal, and 10% sulfur. The Chinese used gunpowder to make fireworks and signals, and later to make weapons of war. Tell me about the invention of the gyroscope. A gyroscope is essentially a spinning wheel set in a movable frame. When the wheel spins, it retains its spatial orientation and it resists external forces applied to it. Gyroscopes are used in navigation instruments for ships, planes, and rockets. Jean-Bernard Léon Foucault, a French physicist, invented the gyroscope in 1852. Can you tell me who invented the hot air balloon? A hot air balloon is a balloon that is filled with hot air. It rises because hot air is less dense or lighter than the rest of the air. Joseph and Jacques-Étienne Montgolfier were two French brothers who made the first successful hot air balloon. Their first balloon was launched in December 1782 and ascended to an altitude of 985 feet. Tell me about the invention of hot dogs. Hot dogs began as sausages sold in buns. They were first sold from carts by German immigrants on the streets of New York City in the 1860s. The bun replaced a plate and made the hot dog easier to carry and eat. Sauerkraut was provided as a relish on the hot dog.
Which is the slowest animal in the world? Do you think it is a snail? No, it's a sloth.
Now tell me, who was the inventor of the hovercraft? A hovercraft is a vehicle supported on a cushion of air supplied by a powered fan mounted on the craft. The hovercraft was invented by Christopher Cockerill in 1956. Tell me about the invention of ice cream. The origins of ice cream can be traced back to at least the 4th century BC. Early references include the Roman Emperor Nero, who ordered ice to be brought from the mountains combined with fruit toppings. King Teng of Shang, China, had a method of creating ice and milk concoctions. Ice cream was likely brought from China back to Europe. The first ice cream parlor in America opened in New York City in 1776. Tell me about the invention of the incandescent light bulb. The first incandescent electric light was made in 1800 by Humphrey Davy, an English scientist. This is called an electric arc. In 1860, the English physicist Sir Joseph Wilson Swan was determined to devise a practical, long-lasting electric light. The inventor Thomas Alva Edison in USA experimented with thousands of different filaments to find just the right materials to glow well and be long-lasting. Edison eventually produced a bulb that could glow for over 1500 hours. The incandescent bulb revolutionized the world. Tell me about the invention of the integrated circuit. An integrated circuit or IC or chip is a wafer of material to which impurities have been added so that the entire chip is a circuit composed of many transistors. The chip, usually made of silicon or germanium, makes computational devices like computers very small and very inexpensive. ICs were invented independently in 1959 by Jack Kilby and Robert Noyce.
Which planet is so light that it can float in water? Saturn.